So another HelloRich question. So sabi ni ma'am, pwede mo ba yung driver's license for government ID? So marami tayong mga question regarding IDs na ina-accept ni HelloRich. But before that, to give you a little background, I'm Aisa. I've been working with HelloRich for 5 years now. So 5 years na po tayong HBA, batch 59. So to answer your question, ma'am, is meron lang pong list ng IDs na tinatanggap sa HelloRich. So ilalagay ko po yan sa taas. So yan po yung UMID ID natin, national ID at saka postal ID. So kapag wala ka po nitong tatlo, tinatanggap din yung passport ni HelloRich. So yan lang po yung tinatanggap ni HelloRich as for now. So I suggest you comply. No, sa UMID naman, before nakapag-request ako online, pero hindi ko lang sure kung gaano katagal na yun. No, so try niyo po yung pinakamadali na makakuha kayo ng ID para ma-attach niyo po sa application dito kay HelloRich. Thank you for that question, ma'am. So sa mga wala pa pong nag-assist at nag-refer sa inyo dito kay HelloRich, don't hesitate to comment down below and place my name, Mary Vic Alisa Tantaco po, sa application niyo sa website and message me para mag-guide at ma-assist ko po kayo. Sa mga may clarifications naman at additional questions, no, comment down below po. Don't hesitate to comment down below. I will try my best to answer your questions. Thank you so much and have a great day.